Hola, it's Gabby here. I'm going to make a card using this watercolor paper. I'm going to use this one because it's very smooth and it holds use and abuse. Because I am not good with watercoloring, I have to experiment a lot with my colors and brushes and paper and stuff. I'm stamping 3 of these stamp set from Darcie's Heart and Home. It calls Fruity Love, and I'm stamping the strawberry, the cherry, and the peach. I was trying to find for the strawberry a strong red using the seed clean color brush, but I couldn't. Then I helped the color with a little bit of the distress ink in candy apple, but the cherry I colored it just with the distress ink. You see here me trying to choose a very intense red, but I couldn't find it. And like I say, I helped myself with the distress inks. For the peach, I use just clean colors markers, and I start with a little bit of yellow and light orange, but then I want her to be a little bit darker. But I see now she need a little bit of more yellowish color in it, but I guess it's okay. I'm going to add the glitter with my Wing Costella brush, and I'm going to apply in the eyes the black irresistible embellisher, because that made them look like shiny and dimensional. I'm going to cut these 3 circles in foam, and also going to cut them in cardstock in white, and I'm going to color them one in light green, pink, and orange. After that, I'm going to glue the pattern paper that is the green one. I opened those 3 holes because I was going to make the card that the fruit is going to be like under those holes, but I tried it and I didn't like it, and then I say I'm going to put it up. These 3 holes, it didn't do anything in the end. I'm going to glue this to my card base. I'm going to use this bone folder that is flat. It helps you to glue things better. And I'm going to add the foam using my tape runner, and I'm going to glue the fruits to the cardstock and then the cardstock to the foam using again my tape runner. After I finish gluing everything, I'm going to add some details in white gel pen, and I'm going to color the seeds of the strawberry with marker in brown, and after that I'm going to apply a little bit of gel pen in white. When I finish doing this, I'm just going to add the sentiment that it says, "I am so glad you picked me." And this is it. This is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card. Goodbye.